Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in previous videos, I have described you like how you can install the MongoDB useful tools and MongoDB Compass. So in this video, I'm going to explore MongoDB Compass. Okay, so that is a very small thing. This video will be a very small video because I'm just going to show you like how you can use the MongoDB shell and how you can use the MongoDB Compass. So if you go to all the apps, you can see like MongoDB Compass is already installed, but there is no MongoDB shell or there is no MongoDB shell or Atlas CLI installed. Okay, let me see. There is no Atlas CLI as of now. I can see like I can just search Atlas CLI. This is not there, and let me search MongoDB. So there is actually one option which is MongoDB Compass. So let me open the file location. Okay, so this is basically MongoDB Compass installation. Okay, so what is the other installations? Let me explore that. Okay, so I'm going to C folder and then program files and then MySQL is there. Program files, I have to go to MySQL's ML's build MongoDB server. So this is basically data we have and then bin folder we have. Okay, so this is the application. This is Mongo shell. Okay, if you double click this, basically this will open your Mongo shell. So it is not opening anyway. So MongoDB, this is also application. I'm trying to find the Atlas CLI. Okay, so Atlas CLI is also not there. This is log, that is fine. And in bin we have the Mongo sh. Okay, we'll explore this later. We'll do one thing. So we have the MongoDB Compass, right? So I'm just going to open that MongoDB Compass. Okay, let me open this. So it is opening. So it is loading. It might take few seconds of your time, and yes, it is loaded. So this is the primary interface of MongoDB Compass. So I'll explore this later, how to use that. I'll all the stuffs I will do later. So first I will show you like which port MongoDB is running. Okay, so suppose my SQL is running on specific port, right? So similarly, Mongo database server also running in a specific port. How to find the port? Okay, you have to simply click on add new connections. So you can see like localhost 27017. This is the port number for MongoDB 27017. There the port is running. Okay, I'm not going to create a new connection. Those all the steps I will explore in the second video or maybe next video. So this is the port number. Now I have to go to MongoDB shell to verify whether it is correct or not. Okay, so how to go to MongoDB shell? So I have showed you, right? It is not opening from the particular folder or where I have logged in. So from there it is not opening. So how to find that? You have to simply go to command prompt, okay, cmd, and then you have to give the command like mongo sh. So if you give mongo sh, it will simply redirect to your Mongo database. So you can see like MongoDB 27017 directed connection, this true, and MongoDB, this is the MongoDB version and Mongo shell version. So Mongo shell version means it is already installed, and this is the Mongo shell. We're using test database. So if I'm going to see like what are the database available by default, show dbs, and then you have to give the comma like this, semicolon, and then enter. So those are the database: admin, config, log. Those are the databases. Okay, so you can change the database like simply use config. Okay, use config, switch to config. So those all the comments I will give you in the next video, or maybe I will make a few videos on Mongo basic commands. So in this video, I'm going to show you like how you can check this port by comment or command. Okay. So for that, I have to. So you can see like it is running on port number 27017. Okay. So now I have to check it through command. Okay. So how to do that? So you have to simply go to the Google. Okay. Let me go to that. I already opened actually. Okay. So you have to simply search like how to check which port MongoDB server is running in Windows. So before that, I will show you one more thing. If you go to your task manager, So this is your task manager, and you have to find for MongoDB. Okay, so that is also running, right? So that is consuming your memory and RAM. So simply you need to scroll down and find for MongoDB. So you can see like MongoDB server. Okay, so MongoDB shell that is also running, and MongoDB that I started, so that's why it is running. And MongoDB server, see 76.2 MB is consuming, and this server you can see this information, right? So it is running. Okay, so before connecting through Compass, you always need to check whether your MongoDB server is running or not. So you can see like MongoDB server is running. So I'm not disturbing this because that is a very important thing. Okay, I'm simply closing this. Now it's time to check which port it is running. So for that, I have gave a command like how to check in which port MongoDB server is running in Windows. Okay, so let me open the Stack Overflow. But I can see like there are sudo commands which is for Linux, so that is not useful. Let me open this. Okay, find out which port MongoDB is running. I'm clicking this. I think I'll get some command. So I'm simply scrolling down. 2707017, that is correct only. So this port only our MongoDB database is running. So connect to Mongo database, it is not required. So this is the command. Okay, so I'm simply copying this command, and this command I need to execute in Mongo shell. Okay, not in terminal, Mongo shell. So Mongo shell I have already logged in. I simply paste this command and I will give enter. So you can see like 27017. So this is the port where Mongo database server is running. So we are good to connect. So guys, I'm giving this comment in the comment box or description of this video. Okay, so if you have anything or any suggestion, please give a comment in the comment box. That will be a great motivation for me. And please subscribe to my channel. That also will be a great motivation for me. And if you have any suggestion or anything, please give a comment in the comment box. Okay, so I'm stopping this video here. See you in the next video. Still then, stay tuned and goodbye.